What are we doing?
Okay, so you've seen birds fucking.
Yes, I have. Sparrows, not cardinals, robins, those idiotic blackbirds. Yes, I have.
Really, I've watched a lot of birds, and I cannot say for a fact I recall birds fucking.
Why have you been looking?
Well, I haven't been specifically watching for, hey, we're gonna see some bird fucking. I've watched birds, and you'd think any animal that continues to procreate,
Like
that if you watched them long enough, like I've seen cows fucking, I've seen horses fucking, I've seen a lot of animals fucking. Birds, oh Christ, I'm terrible at this. Birds are not among them. But you've seen birds fucking.
Okay, last week,
Okay.
the hill out here, there was just two sparrows, one on top of the other.
That's
And
hilarious.
when they flew away, they were, yeah.
Really?
Yep.
And
And then they landed like right out there in the middle of the field.
That's the idea. Two fat little sparrows go. I like that.
But they landed right out there where you take Teddy.
Okay. Huh.
Okay, this is enough filming.
All right. Well, I gotta take your word for it. I still haven't seen birds fucking.
Next time it happens, I'll call you.
All right. Video. Pictures or it didn't happen. All right. Bird fucking. Keep an eye out for it.